got her pulled inside the shop. Mainly what I want to do here is just kind of go through. I'm gonna change some plugs, pull the alternator off. This pulley is pretty rusted out. The belts are done, but that pulley being rusted out is just gonna keep eating through belts. So I'm gonna clean up the alternator, put it back on. Got new belts, got new plugs, and the car starts right up, but it runs horribly. So it's really what I'm gonna focus on today. I don't know how much talking there's gonna be. I'm like at work, so. But I'm kind of liking this car. I miss the smell of an old classic car. Gas smells different. Got this power steering loosened up. Slide this belt off. I remember the old go around the fan technique, so we have to do that. Got me a new one I'm gonna put on. It's already important. You wanna hold it? Explain this camera. I really shouldn't have bought it. I never use it. If you'd start making videos of your Subaru, I'd just let you use it.
Probably should. I just need to learn how to do the editing.
It's not too hard. I learned a long time ago with these cars, you always want to do the worst plug first.
Yeah.
Build up motivation for the rest. Used to, whenever I first got into them, I would always wait for this plug for very last when I had headers and stuff.
Is that like the worst one to get to?
Yeah. By the time I got to it, I'd be like, 7's probably good.
You can do like a time lapse?
Me? Nah. I'm not big on time lapses.
Yeah.
Never really, I used to be.
I'm a big fan when people start doing time lapse.
Like disassembly maybe, working on them in general. Nah. This has just been done for so long. I'm telling you, man, I really just want to do different stuff. Everybody went to LS's and all that. I want to just build different stuff. What sucks is I have plugs in the IROC. I took them out brand new, never even fired. No clue where I put them. I just cleaned up the other day, seen them, put them somewhere, no idea where they're at. That should fire right off.
Yeah. Your front tire is low, bud.
Little DQ pulling up. My big plan today is to just look under the car and see how rusty it is, really. Just kind of go from there. Picking some little gander under here.
Don't touch anything, otherwise your eyes are going to get rusted.
I mean, I'm mainly just trying to see if it's going to be like surface rust or frame rust. Yeah, the rockers seem pretty solid. But yeah, that fender's kind of toasty.
Jack it up by the damn pinch welds like that.
Dude, honestly, it's really not that bad. You got some bubbling in the quarter. I mean, this thing's really not in too bad a shape. Yesterday we got these belts on and stuff before I started playing with it. Having some fun. The frame's not rusted out. The floor pans honestly are the worst, and there's just a couple of quarter-sized holes. So that's not that bad. Some windshield damage, which that's pretty recent, which is nice, which means water hasn't been pouring inside the car for 30 years. You know, windowsill rust. This is the worst spot to me to deal with, because I have to take the glass out and everything if I keep it. Here, you know. But again, the fenders don't bother me. Fenders are easily unboltable and replaceable. About tripped to death right there. I just realized you guys never even got a chance to see the inside, really. Full car. You know, it's dirty. Headliners let go completely. Door panels, everything's still there. Windows roll down super easy. It's really not in that bad of shape. I mean, the car mainly just needs a refresh, like a cleaning, man. Clean it up, spray the surface rust to keep it from going any further. You know, clean up the engine. Be a nice weekend cruiser. See how easy the door shuts too? I mean, this thing is kicking. Watch this one. These are butter. That's it. Butter. My plans are kind of if I do keep it, just weekend hot rod, man. Drag kit, see if I can get the AC working again. Put a little built small block in it, maybe the T5. Check the rear. If it's not, posi, set it up, get a better gearing, and just absolutely have a weekend hellion, really. I think that'd be the best bet. I know this is gonna be a little short video. I just wanted to bring this out and play with it, man. I think this is cool. Like I've said in a couple of videos, I kind of miss the hot rod, so it's just where I've been leaning with things, trying to move into the hot rod life. So I figured bring this out to work, get it cleaned up a little bit, have some fun with it, make a video, and then see if it sells. If it don't, again, I may take this, I don't know. You know, Dad's got a lot of cars. He's trying to clear them off. And we also have the split bumper 71 or 72 that we got from Raleigh about a year ago. I still haven't finished that video. I need to finish it up. I still have the IROC build video that I've never finished. So I need to finish it up. So that's 3 classics back to back that, like, I have full videos and I haven't even edited them. So I really need to get to it. Just got a lot of debating to do. But again, I know this video is going to be short. I just wanted to have some fun and make some content off of it. Show, let some other people enjoy the classics before it's sold or whatever's going to happen to it. Why not have a little play day with it? I think that's going to be it for this one. I'm gonna back it back out into the parking lot where it's gonna sit for a while. I'm probably just gonna relist it until the Black Z sells. If it sells, if this car sells first, then so be it, this car sells first. It's just kind of where I'm at. I wouldn't mind playing with this one, but something has to go first. Too many cars, just too many. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think about the condition of it. I'll probably do a little outside, you know, photo shoot as well, but she ain't too bad.